Hello all, welcome to Tech Vistas. In this video, we will talk about design patterns such as high watermark and right ahead log. So these patterns are basically utilized when we want to achieve the higher resiliency and fault tolerance in a system, right? So let's understand this. So in my previous video, I talked about the leader and follower pattern, right? So in this pattern, what happens that when system is clustered, right? You have multiple servers. Then what you do, you have one server which acts like a leader, right? And it takes up all the update requests from the client, and then we also have the followers, right, in this environment. And whatever updates are being done by the leader, we try to sync up with those followers, right? So the replicas will be sent to followers by leader, so that whatever data is processed in the transactions, right, from the client via leader, leader makes sure that all that is being synced up or replicated in the followers as well, right? So this is a very good system. But whenever leader goes down in case, so what happens that the followers choose the new leader among themselves, and that become the new leader, and they keep serving the request from the client. That is uh, a normal pattern, right? So, but now there is a problem faced, right? So at the time of leader going down, there might be some transactions which might be in process, right? So in that case, the followers will not know, okay, what transactions has been committed and what were in progress, right? At the time when leader went down, right? So for that, what we do, we use a pattern called the write ahead log. Okay. So in this pattern, what happens that leader will first write the transaction details in the log first, okay, so that what even if it goes down, right, it knows it has data in the log, so others can also basically sync up. But yeah, so what happens that here, so whenever leader is getting some transactions request from client, it is writing in the logs, and also these logs are sent or being updated to the followers as well. So leader and all the followers will be having the up to date current logs, right? So now when these logs are sent, right? So the leader also mark them with a high water mark. It means that it denotes that, okay, till this point, this mark, right, all transactions are committed. Whatever the transactions in progress will not be in this log, or may not be marked with the high water mark, right? I mean, there is some indication to the followers, okay, till this point all transactions are committed, so that even leader goes down and they start processing the new leader, it knows from where to start, right? So this is a good way that we use the write ahead log, and a leader writes all the details in the log itself, and also synced all this log with all the followers and with the high water mark, so that uh, the followers or the leader knows, okay, from where to start the processing, right? So this is a very good example. So here you can see that when even if the leader has gone down, right? So whoever becomes a new leader, right? Suppose server 2 becomes a new leader, it has the data available, it has in the logs. It knows that what is the high water mark and from where to start the processing. So that's a very good thing when you want to achieve the higher data consistency, right? So that it will not be inconsistent in your system, because you are starting from the upgrade point. But one more thing also, because there might be millions of transactions being processed by the leader. So in that case, keeping this one file is not a good idea. So what happens that we break this WL into small chunks of files, like small files, and this is called as a segmented log. Okay, so this whole pattern makes a system very resilient and fault tolerant because a system is clustered or distributed, and then you have one leader which is doing all the processing from the client. Even if it goes down, you select a new leader in the system, in the quorum, and we also have the logs already maintained by the followers, and the new leader knows, okay, from where to start the processing, right? So these are like very good patterns to implement when you want to achieve the high consistency, high availability, and also the high resiliency, right? Along with the fault tolerance. So that is the main purpose of these patterns. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching my videos. See you next time. Please leave comments or questions, and if you like my videos, please share them with your colleagues or techie friends so that I get more reach. Thank you very much.